guys, today I have a big gun of crayons in there with a book in there.
Okay, what is it called?
It's called the Aircon book.
Can you open it?
Yeah,
Do you think you can open or do you need mommy's help?
I need mommy's help.
Okay.
So today we have this kind of box of this.
It's called Unicorn Coloring Box Set. What is that?
That's an Aircon coloring book.
It's a unicorn coloring book? Oh wow! What's in there?
Look at what I colored.
Yes.
I color only two things, and I have to have that book for crayons to color.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. There you go.
I think I have to just open this.
What's in there? Can you tell us?
These are pencils with crayons in there and markers, and of these the markers too, and glittery pens.
Glittery pens. What are you most excited to use?
I'm excited to use these.
Okay. Can you show us?
Okay. There's every colors you can think about. There's pink. There's everything colors you like to use.
Where are you learning to paint?
Kimmy the Clown.
From the YouTube?
Yeah, from the YouTube. Kimmy the Clown is a YouTube. It's .com or Amazon.
Okay. What painting are you doing right now?
A mermaid with a dolphin. The mermaid is on a dolphin, and he's just riding on the dolphin to her grandma's house.
Oh, to her grandma's house?
Yeah, to get some flowers for her to smell.
Do you like your grandma's?
Yes.
Yes. What color are you looking for next?
Purple.
You're looking
But it's stuck in there.
What's the specialty of purple?
I don't know.
It's someone's favorite color.
It's my favorite color, but it's pink and purple.
It's pink and purple.
Yeah,
What are your favorite colors?
yeah, these are my favorite colors. When I'm a baby, my first color was only purple. When I'm bigger, my favorite color is pink and purple.
Very cute.
These pens are just glittery for this rain, with the sun, with the rainbow, and a cat with flowers everywhere with clouds.
Okay. Do you want to try the glittery pens too?
I don't know if I can try one.
Why not?
I think I have to try one. If it's beautiful, I can leave it like this.
Yeah.
Why is
Oh.
it not closing?
Do you want to do some stickers too?
There's a glittering sticker, not right now.
Okay. They can wait.
Yeah, I can wait for that.
What color is this?
Blue. Like blue, that's white blue.
Who one of your best friends likes blue?
Is it you?
Your best friends.
Who's that?
Am I your best friend?
You're my best friend, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Daddy, where is the glittery pen?
This right here.
Cute.
It sparkles.
It sparkles.
Yeah, I can see the sparkles.
Can you show me the crayons?
Okay, I'll show you the crayons. 1 second, I have to put the cap on and put it back in there.
Very good. Why should you do that?
Because it would we can lost them.
They get dried up.
You get dried up too.
Yeah.
Why is this not good in here?
Okay. It fitted now. There you go.
I have to close this. So now this. So this is just any color you want. Where's the purple crayons? I can't see purple in here.
Okay, show me the red one.
The what? I think I will get all of them out. All of the crayons out. Oh, I think I need a purple crayon.
These are super cute, right?
Yeah.
Do you like the new model of the crayons?
Yeah. I can't get purple one.
Let me help.
The purple one, the purple crayon. The purple crayon is it? Amma, your hand is too stuck in there. Read. Ah, you got the crayon. These are smaller crayons, so they're way too. I don't want to break them. It stays like this. Look at how they do. You do beautiful things. You do so beautiful things.
Like and subscribe. Take care.